Hi, in this video I will be making beautiful flowers with beautiful rainbow wood. If you want your own colorful veneer from rainbow wood, you can order it at atelierqube.be. Transfer the shape of the leaf onto the veneer. Cut out all the leaves on the bandsaw or scroll saw. You can also use a cutting knife, but it takes some more time. Sand the sides smooth on the belt sander. Now let's make the flower bottom. You've seen me making this in the sunflower video already. Glue the three parts of the flower bottom together with wood glue. Glue all the leaves in place. I'm making an 8mm dowel for the stem. I tried to steam bend the stem, but it cracked.